Is this thing on? What is up, my YouTube fam? My name's Scott. Today, we're going to be making a nightlight out of this block and this mason jar. It's going to look wicked. By the way, if you're wondering what all this is, we're going to be using spray paint. There's already some fumes in here, and I don't want to catch the cancers. So, check it out in this room. Okay, so my wife will be home in 1 hour. I don't have much time to do this video, so let's see if we can do this in 1 hour. Put a screw underneath so it doesn't move.
Into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting close.
Let's let that dry for just a little bit.
You know, I really hate how long it takes for paint to dry.
Cans are floating all over in the air.
Daisies keep on getting much darker. Even when
All right, I moved the timer. It's right there.
it's a spark, maybe just a better kind of.
You don't want no clump of paint.
Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Daisies keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember.
Let's let that shit dry, then we'll come back. Did I disappear? Yeah? Okay, cool. Yeah! What the hell? Why did I wear gloves?
You guys are probably wondering, Scott, what happened to the timer? Yeah, I kind of went and made lunch and forgot I was doing this video, so for the sake of the video, let's just say we did this in an hour. Hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like this video, leave down in the comments what you want me to build. I'll build you anything. Yeah, I look good. I look damn good.
Keep screaming out.